Hi guys, I wanted to show you this amazing gaming keyboard that I just got. It's a 75% keyboard, so it has all the function keys and everything that up, down, side to side arrows that you would need. But it's a nice compact design so that you can still have plenty of desktop space. It came in this beautiful, very giftable box. You know, for your favorite stay-at-home worker or gamer in your family. To connect it is super easy. It comes with a USB, an A to C cord, so you just plug in USB to your computer and then the other side to the keyboard. And then it also came with this amazing programming from ROYALAXE. So you can set your own lighting modes and operating modes, and as well as you can make your own shortcut, your own key shortcuts, so you can have more efficient work or gaming. What's great is this keyboard is compatible with Mac, Windows, and iOS. All you have to do is just press the function key and either P, O, or I to shift between Windows, Mac, and iOS. But yeah, it also came with interchangeable keys. So right now I have the really cool black and gray design, but if I wanted to, I could switch out the gray keys for the black keys to have a sleek all black look. It also has these really helpful kind of key placer tongs. And then, yeah, so I definitely recommend it. It has really great kind of fast typing capability for work or gameplay. Yeah, just ProtoArch really does make those keyboards that win by design. Thank you.